inches. Well, we've seen it all today. Chuck started out a little
That's awful,
snowy
isn't it?
here. I
Look
know
at that.
This is a live look. Well, it would be.
It would
if
be
weren't
if
for
we
the
could see
rain
it.
and maybe just a little bit of icing out there this morning. Or
Yeah,
today.
you know, we had 2 inches of snow to the north of Indianapolis, some of you in Madison County, but now just about all of that is melted, so
No complaints.
yeah,
I'm
we're
looking forward to your 70s.
yeah, and that's next week. By the way, Miss Julia was just talking about taxes, so see, we're not that far away from April. I wanted to show you this because if you watched Julia and I on Sunrise this morning, this area 74 and 267, it was covered with snow at about 6:37 this morning. All that snow is already melted, but there's some light snow falling mixed with rain there right now. Same for downtown here at the West Split, and this is Fishers. There was about 1 inch of snow there at Hoosier Road Elementary in the grass, and that has all melted. That's because these temperatures are going up really quickly. In fact, with a south-southeasterly breeze gusting to 22, we're at 38 degrees right now. It still just kind of feels well, for lack of a better word, gross out there. But we'll see slow warming. And those of you like in Madison County that still have some of the snow on the ground, that's going to be out of here. How much snow fell? Well, it depends on where you live. Alexandria and Frankfort and Lafayette, at least 2 inches of snow. But as these temperatures go up, that's just going to be a memory. At Indianapolis, officially at the airport, 1.2 inches of snow. And in a season when we haven't seen that much, this is a top 10 snow amount that we've seen, and it's already gone. Well, this is a look at our satellite radar composite. And again, I want to tell you that even though this looks like snow, a lot of this, it just turns into moisture, into precipitation, drizzle, rain, as soon as it hits your windshield, because it's still a little bit cooler above our heads, but above freezing down at the surface. And that's why all we're seeing here is rain from Bloomington down to Bedford and Mitchell this afternoon. Currently 38 in Indianapolis. Bloomington's at 39. You folks in Marion and Kokomo and Lafayette still seeing a little bit of snow. It's at the freezing mark there, but it will warm up. I promise you it'll warm up a little bit later on today. And Scott and Nicole picked a good day to be off, just to stay inside. It is kind of messy out there today. The Big Ten Women's Tournament continues down at Bankers Life Fieldhouse. Purdue plays tonight, by the way, but these temperatures are going to warm up. And I think the deeper we go into the evening, if you're going there for the Big Ten Women's Tournament, Bankers Life, the better it will get. We'll even be in the upper 30s or mid 30s by about 9 or 10 o'clock tonight, so that's pretty good. Let's show you what the rest of the day looks like. This is when the kids are coming home from school. A lot of folks coming home from work. Most of this will be over at that time. I do think as an area of low pressure moves off to the east, some moisture is going to swing back down. So maybe tonight, early this evening, we'll have a few sprinkles, a little bit of drizzle, but that's going to be it. In fact, as we move into tomorrow morning, the cloud cover starts to break out. I think Friday, even though it's going to be rather cool at 42, is still going to be a pretty nice day. And then as we move into Saturday, here we go, some scattered showers. I would say between 6 o'clock and noon, then most of this moves out. And the weekend, by the way, does look really nice. Cloudy, periods of rain, 42 degrees today. Then this evening, we'll drop down under partly cloudy skies into the mid-20s. 42 on Friday, 52 with a chance for rain Saturday morning. And then, Julia, up we go. We could see a couple of thunderstorms still by Tuesday, 70. We'll talk more about this in a few minutes.